flip button dedicated here. It does a front flip, and the flip button on this side, what it does is when you press that, you can direct whichever way you want to flip with this button here. So we'll check it out right now. I'm on low mode. That's the yaw. Whoa. That will be the front flip. And let's go to high. And that's the yaw on high. And the pitch. And oh my god, this thing only has 2 speed modes too. Oh, that's my turns on high speed. That's my funnels, actually. There's not much of a yaw on this one. And not that great of a pitch either. Yeah, it does have that distance. Just went about 100 meters and I still had control of it to turn back. So it does have that 100-meter distance. Do that one more time. Yeah, that's about 100 meters there. Yep. We got perfect control. Going right back with the wind, so it's a little bit speedier with the wind. And this is against the wind. And the wind is very slight now. Oh, but I'm kind of disappointed with the yaw. Yaw is very slow. Oh my. Could be a good beginner's quadcopter actually then. But you still need a pretty large field to fly because the yaw is kind of slow. It takes a while for you to make a U-turn here. Look at that. That's my U-turn. So you want to make a tighter U-turn, you gotta let go of the throttle a little bit. Okay, so the left button makes a front flip and it doesn't do anything else. I'm pretty sure it has some other functions for the... Oh no, it's just a dedicated flip button to the front because it has dedicated camera buttons here as well if you got a camera version. So this, I guess it could be a good camera quadcopter. Okay, let's try the flips sideways. Yeah, with the right. Whoa. Okay, I don't know why they put 2 flip buttons if this one can do all flips, front, left, right, and back. Why would you want to have a button just doing the front buttons? I don't understand that. They could have made an effort to make the yaw faster and the pitch a little faster instead of putting that button.